Namaste everyone. So as we know we are going through the chapter simple equation. So let me solve some few questions from exercise 4.4. So let me start from question number 1, G number. So the question is Anwar thinks of a number. Okay. So Anwar thinks a number. Let the number be x according to the question. If he takes away 7 from 5 by 2 of the number, so 5 by 2, 5 by 2 of the number, so 5 by 2 of the number, and we are taking the number as x. So this means 5 by 2 of the number, so the number is x. If he takes away 7 from 5 by 2 of the number, so takes away means minus, the result is 23 equal to 23. So this is the equation. So Anwar is thinking a number, so let the number be x. Now according to the question, what the question says, that 5 by 2 of the number, that is 5 by 2 of number means 5 by 2 of x, and if 7 is taken away from this number, the result will be 23. So minus 7 equal to 23. So this is the equation. Now we have to solve this equation to find the value of x, and that will be the number. So 5 by 2 of means into, okay, x minus 7 equal to 23. So 5 by 2 x, it will become, so 23 plus 7, which implies 5x by 2, it will be 30. Now 5x equal to 30 into 2. So therefore x is equal to what? 30 into 2 divided by 5. So 5 1 is 5, 5 6 is 30. So therefore x is equal to 6 into 2 12. So the required, therefore the required number is 12. Let us move to the second question, that is question number 2G. Question number 2C. Okay. Now question number 2C. Sachin scored twice as many runs as Rahul. So let Rahul scores be x. Okay. Now, so what will be Sachin's score? Because in the question it is given Sachin scored twice as many runs as Rahul. That means Rahul is scoring x. So Sachin will be scoring twice x. Therefore, Sachin scores will be twice x. Now, according to the question, together their run fell too short of a double century. So together how much they will be doing? It is x plus 2x equal to. Now it is given in the question that their runs fell too short of a double century. So double century means 200, and it is too short, that is minus 2. So this is the equation. Let Rahul's score be x. So Sachin is twice of Rahul's score, that is 2x. So according to the question, x plus 2x. Now their total run, it is 2 less than double century. So double century means 200 and 2 less means minus 2. So now let us solve it. So x plus 2x, it will be 3x. 200 minus 2, it is 198. So therefore x is equal to 198 divided by 3. So 3 6 18. So the value of x is 6. Therefore Rahul scored equal to 66 and Sachin scored, it is 2x, that is 2 into 66, which is equal to 132. Now let us solve question number 3-2. Lakshmi father is 49 years old. He is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi age. Okay. So let us take, what is Lakshmi's age? Let Lakshmi age be x years. So according to the question, now again I am reading the question. Lakshmi father is 49 years old. He is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. So 3 times Lakshmi's age, 3 times of Lakshmi's age means 3x, and 4 years older, so plus 4. Okay, so Lakshmi father is 3 times of Lakshmi's age plus 4, because again it is given in the questions clearly that his father is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi age. So 3 times Lakshmi age means 3x plus 4, which is equal to 49, because his father present age is 49, it is given. So one thing you see, this left hand side, okay, it is an expression of Lakshmi's father's age. This is an expression of Lakshmi's father's age. Again, on the right hand side we can see this is the father's age. So this is an expression of Lakshmi's father's present age, and this is in the right hand side we have written 49, which is Lakshmi's father's present age. So both sides we can see both are Lakshmi's father's present age. So it is equalized. Therefore it is equalized. Now we can find the value of x, and if you find the value of x, that will be Lakshmi's age. So let us proceed it. So now what will be the value? So 3x equal to 49 minus 4. 3x equal to, it will be 45. Therefore x is equal to 45 by 3, which is equal to 15. Therefore we can say Lakshmi present age it is 15 years. Okay, now question number 4. So solve the following riddle. I am a number. So let the number be x. Tell my identity. The next line, take me 7 times over. So according to the question, take me 7 times over, that is 7x, and add a 50. So plus 50. To reach a triple century, you still need 40. So to reach triple century means 300. You still need 40. So still need 40. That means we will add 40 here on the left hand side. So this is the question. I am a number. Let the number be x. Now in the second, in the third line it is told take me 7 times over. So 7 times of x means 7x, and add 50. So plus 50. To make triple century, further add 40. So we are adding 40 again. Now let us find the value of x. So 7x, 50 plus 48 is 90, equal to 300. So 7x equal to 300 minus 90. 7x equal to 210. X is equal to 210 divided by 7. So now reduce it. 7 1 is 7. 7 3 is 21. So it is 30 by 1. Therefore, x is equal to 30. So this is the required answer. X is equal to 30. So I have solved some of the questions from exercise 4.4, and the rest questions I will be showing in my online class. 2 questions I will be giving you as homework, so you try and upload in the Google Classroom. So with this I want to conclude. That's all. Thank you.